Think your carry-on bag is ready for 2025? Think again. Airlines are cracking down hard with brand new rules that could leave you stuck paying surprise fees, or worse, forced to gate check your favorite luggage. Before you head to the airport, you need to hear this. Over 60% of bags people already own will be rejected at the gate this year. Surprise fees, forced gate checks, and strict new rules are catching travelers off guard. Don't be one of them. Stick around because I'm breaking down everything you must know to fly smart and avoid carry-on chaos this year. 1. Strict weight limits. Airlines are cracking down on carry-on weight in 2025, with most setting limits between 8 to 10 kilograms, 17 to 22 pounds. These restrictions are no longer just guidelines. Many airlines now enforce them strictly, even installing built-in scales at check-in kiosks to catch overweight bags. To avoid paying extra fees or having to repack at the gate, wear your heaviest clothing and shoes while boarding, and if you're traveling with cameras or electronics, check your airline's media bag policy. Some may allow additional weight or extra items for professional gear. 2. Tighter rules on personal items. In 2025, airlines are enforcing much stricter guidelines for personal items. The new maximum size is 18 by 14 by 8 inches, 45 by 35 by 20 centimeters, and it must fit under the seat in front of you. No exceptions. Oversized backpacks, bulky purses, or laptop bags that exceed these dimensions may be subject to gate checking or fees. To avoid this, choose your personal item wisely and pack strategically, keeping only your most essential and valuable items in it for easy access during the flight. 3. Universal carry-on size standard. In 2025, airlines have adopted a new universal carry-on size standard, setting the maximum dimensions at 22 by 14 by 9 inches, including handles and wheels. While this change aims to create consistency across airlines, it poses a major problem for travelers. Over 60% of carry-on bags currently in use exceed these limits. This means that many passengers may face unexpected gate checking or extra fees if their luggage doesn't comply. To avoid last-minute surprises at the airport, it's essential to measure your bag now or consider upgrading to a new, compliant carry-on designed with the updated standards in mind. 4. Liquid restrictions changing. There's a shift happening in 2025 as some airports begin phasing out the old 311 liquid rule, thanks to advanced scanning technology that can detect liquids more accurately. That's the good news. The bad news? Not all airports have adopted the change, creating inconsistency along your travel route. This means you might breeze through one airport with full-size liquids, only to be stopped at another still following the old restrictions. To stay prepared, pack your liquids in travel-size bottles and store larger containers separately in an easy-to-access pouch. This gives you the flexibility to quickly adjust based on the rules at each airport. 5. Smart luggage restrictions. In 2025, smart luggage comes with strict new rules primarily focused on safety. The key requirement is that all batteries must be removable. Non-removable batteries mean your bag won't be allowed on board. Certain features are still acceptable. GPS tracking is fine if it's not lithium-powered. USB charging ports are okay as long as the battery can be removed, and electronic locks are permitted, but you must have a manual backup way to open the bag. If you're purchasing new luggage, make sure the battery is easily removable and double-check your airline's smart luggage policy to avoid travel disruptions. 6. Electronics power rules. In 2025, airlines have tightened security around electronic devices and power banks. All devices must be able to power on during security checks. If they can't, they may be rejected. When it comes to power banks, the rules are clear. Under 100 watt-hours is fine. 100 to 160 watt-hours requires airline approval, and anything over 160 watt-hours is prohibited. 7. Overhead bin wars. In 2025, overhead bin space has become prime real estate, and competition is tougher than ever. Some airlines are now assigning bin space based on your ticket class, meaning economy passengers may find themselves scrambling for leftover room. To avoid the stress, tip 1. Board as early as possible to increase your chances of claiming a spot. Tip 2. Pack your essentials and fragile items in a carry-on designed to fit under the seat, so even if bin space runs out, your important belongings stay within easy reach and safely stowed. Conclusion. The carry-on rules for 2025 are more strict and enforced than ever before, making it crucial for travelers to stay prepared. Smart travelers should measure and weigh their bags carefully, review specific airline policies before flying, and stay informed about ongoing rule changes. Above all, packing with strategy and flexibility will help avoid unexpected fees, gate checking, or travel hassles, ensuring a smoother, less stressful journey.